Hey guys, welcome back to another year of Vlogmas. It's 2022, yes, and I am super duper excited. I'm a little bit unprepared because I feel like December 1st just crept up on me like a thief in the night because I was not ready. But we are going to get ready and I am about to get the ball a rolling. Today, incidentally, is a day when I'm actually doing a lot of production. Some of you may know I am owner and CEO of One True Natural alongside my husband. So co-owner and CEO of One True Natural, and so we do make handmade hair and skincare products. So I'm in the process of preparing some products because tomorrow is an event, so we're going to be vendors at that event, and so I'm just trying to get prepped, as well as I'm actually launching a brand new product. So that's a bold move. Launching a brand new product at an event, having not ever, premiered it at all before anywhere. But hey, we serve God. So we're going to do this. And in the name of Jesus, it's going to do well. So yeah, I'm in the process of doing that. So stay tuned to see what the day holds. Yes, I definitely am going to be going on the road. So I may take you guys along with me for that. Pardon the bus station. I look busted. Definitely tore up from the floor up. So but it is what it is. Operation Vlogmas is what we say. So stay tuned and don't go nowhere. All right. Hey guys, so I'm back out here on the road, guys, heading to a couple of stores because I need some more items for the event tomorrow. And I need to go to Target to see if I can find just some items that can help me to display the products in a very practical way, and to maximize the space. We have a very fairly small table, and so I want to try to get a crate, one of those wooden crates, so I can utilize inside of the crate and as well as put products on top of the crate. So I'm heading to Target. When I searched online, they're pretty much the only one that I saw that had it in store, right? So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna buy a few other display stuff and some stuff that I need to make my gift sets, as well as I need a jeans. So I don't usually buy clothing at Target, so I'm gonna try to see if their fashion game is up or not. So make we go. We out here, guys. We out here. And this is more or less an introductory video. It's gonna be super duper short, owing to the fact that I'm very, very, very busy. December 1st, came on a day when I am, very, very super busy because of the event, and so the filming will not be very possible. But just to let you guys know that this is just an introductory video to let you know that I will be posting every single day up until Christmas Day. Short as it may be, I will be posting, so stay tuned for that, and hopefully I can pick up some footage in the store to let you guys know if I got what I was looking for or not. Alright, but until then, we will catch up, guys. I'm on the road. So I'm gonna reach Target. The lady told me that I should find a crate in section B, just beyond stationery. So I do honestly hope that they have it. It shows that it's available based on what I saw online. So let me see. I spy with my little eyes the crate, you guys. I found it. Yay. Sorry. Somebody come check me up thinking, yeah, they do have it. So I'm happy. Awesome. Perfect. This is what I want. One is enough. And we're good to go. Nah, I don't like jeans with these buttons. It's too much work. Worse if it's not a mock button. This is an actual button now. Nope. So I still didn't get everything, guys. So I'm gonna run over to Ross because Ross is a lifesaver sometimes. So I'm gonna see if they have the other stuff that I need. As far as jeans, I figured that I would just leave that, let that be, because I'm the type of person that when I'm shopping, it's a whole ordeal. Like it can be a full 3-hour ordeal, and I either come out with nothing or still come out with only one thing. So I'm like, you know what, based on how today is set up, let me leave that alone and stick to business. All right, and I mix business with pleasure today. So let me load up the car and head over to the Ross and see what's going on over there. I'm convinced that I have serious problems, you guys. How about I just have an aha moment? I just realized that I do actually have a frosted plant at home. I was buying the plant to actually add to the table decor at the event, but I already have one and I did not remember until I was loading the stuff into the trunk, and I'm like, why the hell am I buying this and I already have one? So I'm heading right back inside to return it. Like all of 3 minutes after cashing it, it's going back. No problem. Is there a law against driving too slow? Because I promise you, Port St. Lucie people drive 20 miles an hour. I think there should be a law against that because they are in no apparent hurry. Walking people can't pass them out. It's crazy. Anyway, guys, so I got what I could. I'm just making a last stop now at the Dollar Tree because the Dollar Tree is the place to be. Trying to get my what do I need at the Dollar Tree? Okay, some candies because I always put candies on my table. Some candies, yes, and those little crinkle paper that you use to stuff gift boxes. I think that's it. That's all I want from the Dollar Tree today. Get my bag. Lordy, lordy, lordy. So I am pretty much done making up the gift boxes, and what I did is, because we have different scents for the soaps, everything else is standard, but for the soaps we have different scents. So I figured that I would give them the option of choosing, you know, a box with a particular scent if they wanted a particular scent for the soap. So I just went ahead and wrote the name of the soap that is in each of the boxes so that when we look at them we can just grab the one with the corresponding soaps for the individuals. Yeah, so yeah guys, we are pretty much almost done with the prep process for the event. So again, this is how we do it, one true natural style. All right, cool. So guys, I'm back home and I'm pretty much gonna close the vlog out here because tomorrow you will actually see the stuff that I bought when I do the video of the setup at the event. So stay tuned for that. I'm very excited about tomorrow, like I said. So I will definitely catch you guys on the way to the event and at the event so you guys can be a part of the whole vendor situation. All right, so Vlogmas day one, very uneventful, but hey, It is real life. It is what it is. Ain't nobody putting. I can understand why people pre-record videos. People have been filming videos from November to create content for Vlogmas. So I'm pretty much fooling myself into thinking that every day is going to be this big lit. It's a real life. So whatever is going on for that day is the what I'm able to capture. So today I was just on the road making products, prepping for tomorrow. And so tomorrow we will check in. Take care, you guys, and much love. And we will talk to you on the next one. Merry Christmas.